Those are my nasty incisions that are still there. Those won't be going away, but they will heal and look a lot better.
Going into the pregnancy, we thought everything was going to be just fine. And then finding out that, her life was in danger and our baby may have to come 12 weeks early. Yeah, we were scared, we were frustrated.
I kind of would feel these weird feelings in my chest. Then my dad, who's a retired emergency room physician, and had asked my dad to listen to my heart. He heard a pronounced murmur. He told me that I immediately needed to get an echocardiogram done. Because they didn't know how large it had been initially, it was kind of this game of monitoring it to kind of see, is it going to grow or did this just happen over time since birth? And the risk with it is that if it were to balloon or get bigger and reach past 5 centimeters, that's whenever the greater risk of rupture or dissection happens. The biggest difference I would have than somebody without it would be that I would likely have an assisted birth. So that would more or less mean I wouldn't be able to push for my heart's sake. So they were going to let me do so much and then assist the rest of the delivery. And the backup would be a cesarean section.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
What?
They wanted to wait to have my heart surgery so that my tissue was strong.
It started the procedure, and then the folks in the waiting room told us that the clinic was closing and that the surgeon would tell us how everything went when the surgery was complete, but we would not be allowed to go into the ICU afterwards. So I jotted her a quick letter and got her things together and gave it to a nurse.
I do remember waking up and the nurse read me the letter saying that no one would be with me for the rest of my stay, and that was from Jake, and that broke my heart.
I went they're down.
Follow, your intuition, and when you notice or see or feel something about your body, there's no harm in getting things checked out just to see, because it might not be anything, but at the same time, if I wouldn't have known about this beforehand, this could have had a completely different outcome. And that in and of itself means a ton to both myself, my family,